Okay. For bail hearing, and this will be Bill 109 of 2024.
Also, in this matter, on the earlier occasion, this bail was granted, not anticipated interim order was passed. And thereafter, I have contacted to my client, and he was at Dimapur for some prayer. His family is suffering, and then again I was told that he is at Gauhati for some medical purpose. Then I have lost the contact. I'm unable to contact him. That is why I'm praying for this. Can this matter be adjourned for today?
Your Lordship, small appraisal, Your Lordship. On 14th of August, Your Lordship has directed the accused to be appear before the IO, Your Lordship. Since then, on 3 occasions, the accused has been granted liberty by this honorable court to appear before the IO. However, he has not appeared, neither given any details of his not appearance. Lordship.
Okay, I will give one last chance.
Yes.
He does not appear, then I will cancel this.
Yes.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. T. Tapa, appearing for a petitioner. RMSP, the learned edition, EG, the learned edition for the prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Where Mr. Tapak submits that because of some personal problems, the petitioner is out of his contact. Therefore, Mr. Tapak prays for some more time. But on the other hand, MS Jini submits that the petitioner is yet to appear before the investigating officer as directed by this court. And after considering the submissions made by the learned counsel to both sides, this court is of the opinion that one last chance should be given to the petitioner to appear before the investigating officer. If he does not appear before the investigating officer this time, the court shall pass appropriate order to the this court hereby directs the petitioner to appear before the investigating officer within next 10 days from today. After 10 days, what will be the date, Jimmy?
Some long date may be given, Lordship, since I am unable to contact my client.
And if within next 15 days from today.
Yes, 15 days.
15 days from today. Is this matter?
Any appropriate date after 15 days.
On 15th of December, Your Lordship.
15 December.
This on 15th of December.
15 is Sunday, and 16, maybe on 16.
16th of December.
Is this matter on 16th?
16 December.
Okay, all right.
Did
Yes.
you?
All right.
Yes. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, I may be allowed to mention hearing item 38 on behalf of the respondent.
38.
Item 38.
38.
Yes, my lord. The matter may be listed after winter vacation.
I have no objections, Lordship. I am for the petitioner.
Okay. The learned counsel, Mr. What is your name?
Okay, it's over, my lord.
Appearing for a respondent to praise for an adjournment. I have also heard the learned counsel, Mr. Santi Engar. The matter stands adjourned today. List again after the winter vacation.
My lord. Lordship, I beg to mention Item 19, Lordship, if it can kindly come up on 3rd of December.
Item number 19.
Yes, Lordship. I am to file my counter affidavit, Lordship. It's ready, but I am awaiting the petitioners to come and sign.
Item number 19. Learned Counsel Mr. Sankinga submits that he needs some time to file the affidavit, as his client is yet to put his signature. I have heard Mr. N. Angami, the learned. This time I remember your name.
Yes, Lordship. I'm deeply obliged.
Keep forgetting the names.
Lordship.
The learned counsel for the state respondents. The prayer of Mr. Sankinga is allowed. List again on
312.
312.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Obliged.
May I please, your Lordship?
Yes,
May we please to mention item 7, your Lordship?
7.
Yes, your Lordship. If it can come after vacation for filing counter affidavit, your Lordship.
The learned counsel MS,
Livika, your Lordship.
preparing for the state respondents. Wait for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. I have also heard Mr.
Abel AM, your Lordship.
Preparing for the petitioner, the prayer of the state respondent is allowed. List after the winter vacation.
Yes, your Lordship. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 9. Your Lordship, if this matter can come up on next Thursday, your Lordship. Yes, your Lordship.
Heard so preparing for the state respondents. Heard Mr.
Elika Sisungda, my lord.
Preparing for the petitioner. The matter is adjourned today. List on next Thursday. What is it?
5, your Lordship.
5. On 5 December.
Obliged.
Your Lordship, I also beg to mention hearing item number 29. Your Lordship, if this matter can also be listed after vacation.
We have no objection, your Lordship.
So preparing for the state respondents. Heard Mr.
I am your Lordship.
Preparing for the petitioner. The hearing is adjourned. List after the winter vacation.
Your Lordship, have a similar prayer for item 40. 40.
Same order.
Yeah.
Petitioner's lawyer will be Mr.
There's an interim, your Lordship.
Okay. Pongani. The interim order pastels will continue until.
Much obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22. Here, state is yet to file affidavit, your Lordship. So kindly grant me 3 weeks' time.
22. MSAIME. Equating to the state respondents submitted that she needs some time to file the affidavit in the position. Heard Mr.
Nokle M konyak.
Equating for the petitioner, the prayer of MSIME is allowed. When? After 3 weeks,
Yes, your Lordship.
at least after 3 weeks.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 20 also. Here, state is yet to file affidavit.
Same. The petitioner's lawyer will be MS.
No objection.
Okay, what is your name?
Miss Lucino for the petitioner.
You had name. Same order, only the name.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 16 also. State is yet to file affidavit here, your Lordship.
The same order, item number 16 also. The petitioner's lawyer will be MS. Mr.
My lord, item number 16, let it be the last chance. Already 10 months has lapsed.
10 months gone.
Yes.
Then your Lordship, let the matter be listed after the vacation, your Lordship.
So it's preparing for the petition. List after the vacation. The state shall try to file the affidavit in the position before that date.
Right.
Your Lordship, item number 6, on behalf of my colleague K. Angami, your Lordship, kindly let the matter be listed after the vacation. Consent from the petitioners has been taken, your Lordship.
Yeah, I mean, preparing for the respondents. Praise for an adjournment and also submits that she has already informed the. I have also heard MS
A little so.
preparing for the petitioner. The matter is adjourned accordingly. List after the petition.
Your Lordship, item number 41 also. Kindly let the matter come up after the vacation.
41,
Yes, your lordship.
41. Order is the same, petitioner loyal BMS,
Signo.
list after revocation.
Your lordship, item number 42 also. Let the matter come up after 1 week, your lordship.
Order is the same, who is the petitioner? S. Temjen. Same, then it should be right on the request of the learned counsel and this AIME. Inquiry for the respondents. The matter stands adjourned today. List next week.
Yes, your lordship, after 1 week. Much obliged, your lordship.
Maps Lordship, I beg to mention item 33. I'm making a mention on behalf of my senior Mr. PB4. Private respondents, Lordship. Lordship, if the matter can come up to the vacation, Lordship.
So for the petitioner.
I'm for the respondent, Lordship, private respondent.
Mr. Kosiko. Inquiry for the private respondent. Praise for an adjournment. Do you have any objection?
Your lordship. No, your lordship, there is an interim. The matter,
Interim order is pending.
yes, interim.
At the learned counsel, Mr. Stoneso, inquiry for the petitioner. The matter stands, also heard Mr. Ayan Angami. Inquiry for the state response. The matter stands adjourned accordingly, list after the vacation. Until the next date of listing, the interim order past will continue.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 17. Lordship, kindly grant us 1 week time to file affidavit in reply.
No, Mr. Konya,
Mentioning on behalf of my senior and younger. For petitioner.
Yeah.
Nokla M. Konyak.
appearing on behalf of Mr. Santiangar,
Yes, your lordship.
the learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for some time to file the reply in respect to the affidavit in the position filed by the state respondents. The prayer of the learned counsel is allowed. List application.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43 to 48, lordship. Hearing item. If this matter can come up after the vacation, lordship.
The vacation.
Lordship, I've taken the consent from the petitioners council.
You are for the respondent.
Lordship,
You are for the state respondents.
for state response, lordship.
The learned counsel MS,
S. Chang.
some, appearing for the state respondents. Prays for an adjournment. She has submitted that she has already informed the other side. Therefore, the hearing is adjourned today, list after the winter vacation. For hearing.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5, lordship. On behalf of Vigilance, lordship. Kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file my affidavit.
Lordship.
Yes. The learned counsel MS so and so, praying for the state respondents. Prays for some time to find the affidavit in the position.
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship.
Praying for the declaring for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, lordship.
Least after 3 weeks.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 15, lordship. On behalf of my colleague Mosem,
1-5.
1-5, lordship.
The learned counsel MS so and so, query for the state respondents. Praise for an adjournment. I have also had MS.
Kim Piana.
Query for the petitioner. The prayer of the state respondent is allowed. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, lordship.
Least after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 23, lordship. I'm yet to receive instructions, lordship.
3.
23,
23.
23.
23 also same order.
Lordship. 24 also, lordship.
In 24, the petitioner is loyal BMS.
Sigmo, your lordship. Item 25 as well, Lordship. Similar prayer.
25 also same order. The petitioner is lawyer by Mr.
Deplorably.
After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, Lordship. Lordship, similar prayer for item 37, Lordship, on behalf of my colleague.
7. So and so pay for the respondents. Prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition.
Lordship.
The prayer is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Lordship, I have similar prayer for item 18, Lordship, on behalf of my colleague Vigilance.
18.
Lordship.
Lordship, in the last order, the state was given the last opportunity to file an affidavit, Lordship. Now, Lordship, this pertains to village council. The village council, we are the village council members. We have been suspended from performing our duties, Lordship. It's been almost 2 years now. No action has been initiated. There is no village council. So in the last order, last opportunity was given to the state, Lordship. So if the state is not going to file an affidavit, Lordship, then let the matter be listed on 9th, Lordship. On the available record, the matter can be disposed, Lordship.
My lord, I have the similar prayer for private respondent number 7 to 11. I'm presuming 7 to 11. And a similar prayer I will also bring for disposing the matter.
Okay. On the next date.
9th.
9.
December,
The
Lordship.
Learned Council and so and so appearing for the state respondents. Prays for some time to file the affidavit in opposition. The Learned Council, Mr.
And Mozoi.
Appearing for the petitioner has pointed out that today is the last chance that was given to the state respondents to file the affidavit in opposition. Heard, Mr. Appearing for the respondent number
7 to 11.
7 to 11. But I have considered the submissions made by the learned councils on both sides. Release this matter on 9th December. Before that date, the affidavit shall be filed by the state respondents, and on the day, the endeavor shall be made to dispose of the matter.
Lordship, if no affidavit is filed, the matter can be.
This endeavor shall be made even if the state respondents fail to file the written state affidavit in the position.
Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 10. Yes, Your Lordship. We have received the counter affidavit filed by the state respondents, so I pray I may be granted 3 weeks.
Right.
To file affidavit in reply.
Heard MS
SECMO.
appearing for the petitioner, she has submitted that she has received the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents, and she wanted some time to file a reply. I have also heard MS AIME appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, least after 3 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. Your Lordship, a similar order for item number 11, 12, and 13.
MS so appearing for the petitioners. Submits that she has received a copy of the affidavit in the position, and she wants to file a reply to that. Therefore, she wait for some time. I have also heard MS AIME appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the petitioner is allowed, least after
3 weeks,
3
Your
weeks.
Lordship. Your Lordship.
With this Lordship, I beg to mention item 3. Lordship, the main council is in dispose.
The 3 is already disposed of.
3, Lordship.
3, it is already adjourned.
No, it has not been
No,
adjourned,
Lordship.
Lordship. 3 has not been adjourned. 23 has been adjourned, yes, Lordship. Yes. If it can kindly be listed on 9th of December, Lordship, for admission hearing.
Item number 3, we just write, list this matter on
9th,
9th December for admission hearing.
my lord. May it please, my lordship, my junior has mentioned item 17, Lordship. However, adjournment for 1 week has been sought and the matter has been posted after the winter vacation. So if it can kindly be listed after 1 week, my lord.
Make the corrections after 1 week.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 30 and 31. Lordship, Lordship, if this matter can come up on the 10th of December, my lord.
Your Lordship, if the matter can be listed after vacation.
Okay, Lordship, if they have difficulty, then it can be listed after the vacation.
30 and 31.
30 and 31, my lord.
MS,
Lucy, no.
appearing for the petitioner. MS,
Mention no.
appearing for the respondents. After hearing both sides, the matter is adjourned today. List after the winter vacation.
Bless you.
May it please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 37. My senior have some difficulties.
37 is already adjourned. 37, is there any order?
If so, let the interim be continued.
The interim order passed. Item number 37.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 49 to 54. Here we are yet to receive some instruction from my client, so kindly grant us 3 weeks' time to file additional affidavit. 49 to 50.
You are appearing on behalf of Wazamir. Wazamir,
No, I'm for the petitioner appearing on behalf of Joshua Shike.
Jamir filed the I.
My lord, I'm for state respondents.
Who filed the I? You filed the I. Your name is here.
Petition.
And
Petition normally. Petition.
you want adjournment in the I.
No, yeah, in yes, as well as the main writ petitions.
But
In the writ petitions, we are yet to file additional affidavit.
additional affidavit you want to file.
Yes.
What is your reply, Mr. Jamir?
Not I have no objection. I was fine for a prayer to allow the respondent number 6 to file an additional affidavit, which was allowed and I have filed. And against the affidavit, they want to file an objection. I have no objection.
My lord, state respondents has also filed an affidavit.
Make the order in 49. Mr. Muaz Amir, the learned counsel for the applicant, has submitted that pursuant to the earlier order, he already filed the additional affidavit. MS,
Pim Hombeni Izon.
appearing for the petitioner, submits that she wants to file a reply in respect of the said additional affidavit. Therefore, she prayed for some time. I have also heard the learned counsel, Mr.
LT Sankam for state respondents.
Appearing for the state respondent.
And for respondent number 2, my lord.
So, Mr. Sunse,
Let Moli.
appearing for the respondent number
2, my lord.
2. The prayer of MS so and so is allowed. When you will find the reply?
Lordship, after 3 weeks.
Least after 3 weeks.
Blush, my lord.
Most pleasure. Item number 14, if I may be allowed to 3 weeks' time to file reply, Lordship. Item number 14.
40, no 14.
1-4, Lordship.
1.
I've taken consent from the opposite counsel, Lordship.
You want to file a reply?
Lordship, to file a reply, Lordship.
The learned counsel, Mr. Muaz Amir, appearing for the petitioner submits that he wants to file a reply in respect of the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents.
Lordship.
And therefore he prayed for some time. The prayer is allowed, least after
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35.
Right.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Kindly grant us 2 more weeks, Your Lordship.
Who filed the I? You filed the I.
Yes, Your Lordship.
I for what?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Your Lordship.
M. Koja.
Yes, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel, Miss,
Lorena.
appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Koja, the learned counsel for the applicant. Prays for an adjournment. Jamir is here.
I'm for respondent 2 and 3.
I heard Mr. Muazzami appearing for respondents 2 and 3.
I'm for state respondents.
So actually appearing for the state respondents. The prayer of the applicant is allowed. When do you want it?
After vacation.
After vacation, your lordship.
Least after vacation. Winter vacation.
Please, your lordship.
For admission, item number 1.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, I have sought time to receive instruction with regards to the letter dated 15/10/2024, issued by the Accountant General Office to the government, asking the state respondent to submit the service book, your lordship. Your lordship, the state respondent has completed the service book and the revised LPC and regularization order has been completed, and they have sent it to the Accountant General Office by a letter dated 27th of November 2024. Your lordship, I may be allowed to place this on record, my lord. If I may be allowed to read, my lord.
Yes.
This is letter dated 27th of November 2024, subject submissions of service book in respect of late Atrase Santam, ex-stenographer. Sir, I'm directed to refer to a letter number such and such dated 15/10 of 2024. Your lordship, this is the letter issued by the Accountant General Office on the subject cited above, and to submit herewith the service book along with revised LPC and regularization order in respect of late Atrase ex-stenographer who was posthumously regularized as stenographer grade 3 for further necessary action from your end, your lordship.
So later is, the matters are already sent to the accountant general.
Yes, your lordship.
So the accountant general.
Yes.
So your lordship, in this line, if it can be disposed of, my learned friend agree.
My lord, this is actually a 2011 this honorable court order. So my learned friend AG is present. Let them take their
Your lordship,
step.
as far as this letter is concerned, which my learned brother, my learned friend has
Yeah.
shared with us, it
Yesterday.
appears to show that the record has been sent to the AG. But my lord, until and unless I personally confirm from the AG, it's difficult for me to give my,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
So my lord, just 1 week, my lord, so that I can confirm from the AG office.
The learned senior government advocate, Mr. N. Angami, has submitted that the state has already sent the service book along with revised LPC and regularization order to the office of the Principal Accountant General, Nagaland, for processing the pensionary benefits to the deceased employee. The learned counsel, Mr. Appearing for the Accountant General.
My lord.
Yes, your lordship. The standing counsel, your lordship.
Standing counsel for the Accountant General Office submitted that he needs some time to confirm the matter. I have also heard Mr.
I am the long.
Appearing for the petitioner. The prayer of the learned standing counsel of the Accountant General A&E Nagaland is allowed.
Yes.
Release this matter next week.
Your lordship, without a written instruction, if I get the verbal instruction, also I may be allowed to place it before this honorable court. The instruction may not
Yes.
necessarily be in written, but even a verbal instruction will do. my lord.
The learned counsel is at liberty to verbally inform this court about the steps taken by the Office of the Accountant General.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 2.
May it please my lord. Lordship, after I have filed this split petition, counter affidavits have been filed by both the state respondent as well as by the union, lordship. Now, they are not agreeing with each other. The respondents also, the state as well as the union. And lordship, there is a necessity to settle the facts, lordship, before the civil court, lordship, in view of the disputed question of facts, lordship, raised by
Yes,
the
Lordship.
respondents for the
Yes.
union as well as by the state respondents, lordship. Which is why I pray that liberty, I may be allowed to withdraw the instant writ petition with liberty to approach the civil court, lordship. And lordship, a direction may be given to maintain the status quo for 30 days, lordship. So that meantime, I may be allowed to take appropriate steps before the civil court, lordship.
Yes, Lordship.
Mr. Sankinger, the learned counsel for the petitioners submits that both Union of India and the state respondent have
Raised disputed question of facts in the affidavits.
raised a disputed question of fact in their affidavits. Mr. Santianger submits that since the dispute pertains to some facts, he wants to approach the civil court
My lord.
for seeking relief. On that ground, Mr. Santianger submits that he wants to withdraw this writ petition and prayed for liberty to approach the civil court for seeking relief. Where I have also heard Mr. Interim Song,
Yes, interim song and
the
Yamawati.
learned additional advocate general,
Yes,
appearing for the state respondents. You are appearing for
for the Union of India.
as well as for Union of India. Where I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels of both sides. The prayer of Mr. Santianger is allowed. The present writ petition stands disposed of on withdrawal. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to approach the petitioners to approach the civil court for seeking relief. Whatever this
Parties may kindly be directed to maintain status quo for 30 days, lordship. On
next,
this, yes, on the over the property.
both sides are directed to maintain status quo for the next 30 days in respect of the properties concerned.
My lord. Much obliged.
For admission, item number 4.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of Vigilance, Lordship, if some time may be granted to me, Lordship, to file my affidavit. If it can be listed after vacation, Lordship.
I have no objections, lordship.
Lordship, respondent number 8 is an outstation counsel. He is on his way, he is stuck in the traffic. He seeks a fixed date.
Fixed date.
Yes. I'm paying for respondent number 9 and 10. Lordship, who have filed our respective affidavits.
You suggest on date
27th January.
January. MS so and so,
Let the government file before that. The affidavits.
appearing for the state respondents. Prays for some time to file the affidavit in the position. Mr. Santianger, the learned counsel for the Santianger is for
The petitioner, my lord.
Appearing for the petitioner in the connected writ petition, submits that he has no objection. There, Mr.
Sidi Runsu.
Sidi Rongsu. Appearing for the
Respondent number 9 and 10.
respondent number 9,
And 10.
9 and 10. Who is coming from outside?
NK Barua,
Um,
IOC counsel.
He is appearing for whom?
Respondent number 8. Lordship.
Respondent number 8. Has submitted that the learned counsel for, you have come here. Number 8. Appearing for the respondent number 8.
N. Burua.
Then I put the 9, hard Mr. For 9 and 10. Mr. So appearing for the 9 and 10. Hard Mr. N. Burua, appearing for the respondent number 8. The prayer of the applicant is allowed. List on
27th of January.
27th of January.
May please, my lord, in the connected with petition, there is an interim lordship. If you can kindly continue till the next date.
Put that line. The interim order passed earlier in the connected with petition shall continue until next date of listing of this interlocutory application.
Much obliged, my lord.
For admission, item number 8.
May it please your lordship,
Yes.
I'm yet to receive certain clarification. So may I pray that this matter may be listed after winter vacation.
What do you say?
Your Lordship, I have no objections.
The learned counsel, Mr. Swenson, appearing for the state respondents. Senior government, you are
Additional AG,
additional AG,
LD Sangda.
has submitted that he is yet to receive instructions. So he prayed for some time. I have also heard Mr. Santianger appearing for the
Respondents 1, 2, and 3.
respondents 1, 2, and 3. Heard MS
And solo for the petitioner.
for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that she has no objection. Therefore, the matter is adjourned today, list after the winter vacation.
Much
Much
obliged.
obliged.
Much.
For admission, item number 21.
Lordship,
Yes.
by the order dated 22/10/2024, the Honorable Court has instructed me to take some information from the law Kohima. So for which I have already communicated and they have given a reply. Lordship, here actually the question is how the trial court was implemented as a respondent. And in order to ascertain that, since we are a very peculiar case, I was instructed by the Honorable Court to take some more information. But as per the reply of the law Kohima, there is no specific information response is mentioned at all.
Then you go through it. Have you received this copy?
Yes, I have received a copy of this, Your Lordship. It is essentially the Upa Lok Ayukta has directed the Vigilance Director of Nagaland Lok Ayukta investigation to issue clearance to the petitioner. Now, Your Lordship, the simple fact of the case is that the department has written to the PNAR. The PNAR in turn wrote to the Lok Ayukta for issuance of clearance. Now, the Secretary of the Lok Ayukta again forwarded it to the special judge. The special judge is sitting over the matter. And that was a controversy. But now, in this case, twice the Upa Lok Ayukta has passed orders for issuance of clearance. Till date, it is yet to be issued. The second order, Your Lordship, it was passed on 12/7/2024. If Your Lordship may go to the concluding part, that is the last page.
There are two orders.
Yes, this first one was issued on 12/7/2024. Here also, the conclusion, Your Lordship, the Director Nagaland Lok Ayukta investigation shall write to the BP of the DDB for action on withdrawal of RC. So and so, the vigilance clearance be issued to Shri Tushizamba Senior DO Mugokchong. And despite this, no action. Again, this recent order has been passed, more or less the same. So the matter may be closed with the direction, if Your Lordship may go to my writ petition, my prayers, Your Lordship. Page 20, Your Lordship, page 20.
Yes.
1. Direct a respondent number 6 to immediately issue the vigilance clearance in respect of the petitioner as had been done in the case of the other similarly situated officers of the department. Number 2, direct the respondent number 3 to issue the vigilance clearance. That is, number 6 is the special judge, Your Lordship. Number 3 is the BNAR department. In respect of the petitioner immediately upon receipt of the clearance from the respondent number 6, as had been done in the case of other similarly situated officers of the department. And number 3, direct the respondent number 2 and 4, that is the department, the petitioner's department, to forward consider the petitioner's case for promotion upon receipt of the vigilance clearance, as had been done in the case of the similarly situated officers of the department. So if the matter may be closed with these directions, since there is no controversy.
That can be done.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is your reply, Mr. Emission?
Your Lordship, here we have already filed an affidavit to the effect that the department has no hindrance once the clearance is given by the vigilance, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So without hearing the vigilance, Your Lordship, no effective order can be passed, Your Lordship.
No, this is the
Yes,
vigilance.
vigilance is implemented as a party, Your Lordship.
Who is the counsel for the vigilance?
They are yet to appear.
Your Lordship, the vigilance department has. It has been, Your Lordship, the vigilance has been converted to the Lok Ayukta now, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So the Lok
They are
Ayukta is
functioning as
represented.
Yes.
It is the Lok Ayukta now.
Yes, yes.
Who represents Lokayukta here?
So that's why.
Here,
Yes, they have been impleted,
Yes.
but they are yet to.
on the basis of
Yes.
on the basis of the direction of this honorable court to the,
The Mr. Imchen is for whom? 1 and 2.
Lordship, I was directed by the honorable court to take some more information.
No. Here you represent 1 and 2.
No, I don't represent. I am just complying the direction of the honorable court.
So who is representing 1 and 2?
I'm for 2 and 4, Your Lordship here. 1,
2.
1, 2 and 4.
1, 2 and 4.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is for 3?
1, 2, 3 and 4.
1, 2, 3 and
Yes, 5 is Lokayukta. Yes.
Who represents Nagaland Lokayukta?
Your Lordship, so far no one,
no one
but
has come.
this is the order that has been passed by the Lok Ayukta now. And this has been produced through the additional advocate general. The Upal Lok Ayukta is very clear that there is no case in respect of the petitioner that
But
vigilance speak.
since they are made parties here, they
Yes.
should be heard.
Yes, Your
Your
Lordship.
Lordship, in that case,
What will do?
I have no, we have already taken steps, Your Lordship. Personal service also, Your Lordship, at the office. So the,
Notice served or not?
yes, I have also filed. Trustee service also was affected, Your Lordship.
That's the service.
Yes, upon the respondent number 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
Yes,
Have you filed the affidavit?
yes, affidavit has been filed, Your Lordship. The date. On the order dated 37/24. Notice on respondent number 5 and 6 deemed complete, Your Lordship.
Oh, then it
Yes.
can be passed.
Yes,
Okay, I will pass the direction like that.
yes.
The item number, what is the item number? 21. Heard the learned counsel, Mr. Tongkok Kongni, appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS Mary,
Yes, Your Lordship.
MS Mary.
For respondent 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
Your Lordship, I'm sorry. I may take Your Lordship to the order dated 23/9/24 also. The order passed by this honorable.
That's
Yes.
the service.
Twice we have said, taken trustee service on the basis of this also. And here, matter to be disposed of on basis of available record, Your Lordship.
But
Yes.
number 5. What is this order? One part is here, other part is not. Here, one part is here, this is one part. This is a part of the order. So, also. File the affidavit. Where is the affidavit on 5 and 6? That's the service.
Entrance.
No.
These are.
Service of notice upon the respondents 5 and 6 is already complete. None appears for them. Today, the learned counsel, Mr. I. In Chong, the learned additional advocate general, has provided this court a letter issued to him by the secretary, Nagaland Lokayukta Kohima. This letter contains 2 orders of the learned Lokayukta dated 12/7/2024 and 18/11/2024. I have gone through those orders. The learned counsel for a petitioner. I agree with the learned counsel for a petitioner that both the orders passed by the learned Lokayukta are similar in nature. Para. On the ground, the learned counsel for a petitioner prays for disposal of this matter today itself by allowing his prayers in the writ petition. I have heard the learned counsels of both sides. This court is of the opinion that the matter can be disposed of today. Therefore, the respondent number 6 is directed to immediately issue the vigilance clearance in respect of the present petitioner, as had been done in the case of the other similarly situated officers of the department. The respondent number 3 is directed to issue vigilance clearance in respect of the petitioner immediately upon receipt of the clearance from the respondent number 6, as had been done in the case of other similarly situated officers of the department. Further, It is hereby directed that the respondent number 2 and 4 shall forthwith consider the petitioner's case for promotion upon receipt of the vigilance clearance as had been done in the case of the similarly situated officers of the department. With the aforesaid direction, the present resolution stands spoken.
Lordship, Your Lordship, my submission in terms of the order dated 22nd October 2024. If it is mentioned, that will be okay. In my submission.
Now, what is your submission?
No, I have submitted the documents. So my compliance is in terms of the order dated 22nd October 2024 of this honorable court. So if it is reflected above.
You wrote Advocate General Mr. M. Chang filed documents. Before that, you put pursuant to the order of this court dated
22nd/10/2024.
24. The learned Advocate General Mr. M. Chang produced so and so. Is there? My supply, Your Honor.
For admission, item numbers 26 to 28.
May it please your lordship.
May I
Hello?
please, may I please, Lordship, Lordship, yesterday we have filed our counter affidavit. I've inquired from my colleague, she said that it's in the registry. So if my lord would call for it from the registry.
Affidavit noted
It has been filed yesterday, Lordship.
yesterday.
Yes, Lordship. But it is not on the records.
Your lordship, whether the affidavit is on record or not, the law is very simple. Whether debarment or blacklisting can be done after the successful completion of the contract, number one. Number two, when arbitration proceeding is about to begin and the arbitrator was appointed, your lordship, but he has expressed his difficulty, in which I will place before your lordship. So when arbitration proceeding is to begin, then the debarment or blacklisting is bad in the eye of law, your lordship. So my lord, it's not on the factual, there is no dispute on the facts of the case that, number one, after the completion of the successful completion of the contract, that the debarment was issued. Number two, arbitration agreement is there, your lordship. So when there is arbitration agreement, my lord, it's bad in the eye of law to debar or blacklist a contractor, your lordship, because it directly affects the livelihood of the person. And my lord, I will place the authorities before your lordship,
But the
your lordship.
arbitrator has refused to be an arbitrator.
Yes, your lordship. So another arbitrator can be appointed, your lordship, but in the meantime, the debarment, the blacklisting, that may be interfered with, your lordship, because I asked for an interim on the last date, your lordship, but the Honorable Court has expressed a reservation that the interim order would amount to the final relief. So my lord, on that count, I have not insisted, but my lord may kindly appreciate this, that the blacklisting has been going on for quite some time now. It's directly affecting the livelihood, the business of my client, my lord. So on the settled principle of law,
Stay for 1 week more.
Your Lordship,
Affidavit is noted, tagged to the record.
Your Lordship.
Yes.
Okay.
Next week, it will be taken up.
Your Lordship, I would like to submit, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the subject matter in this writ and the arbitration are similar, Your Lordship. The core issue is the department letter dated 11/9/2023.
But you are appearing for all the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship, all the respondents. Your Lordship, the issue is the same, Your Lordship. They are challenging the letter, department letter, Your Lordship, which is subject to arbitration, Your Lordship.
First of all, let your affidavit be tagged to the record.
Yes, Your
After
Lordship.
that, later can proceed.
one point, your lordship, what my learned friend is saying is correct, that it's subject to arbitration, your lordship. But the other point also which has to be taken note of by this honorable court is after a successful completion of a contract work, The question of debarment. Debarment can be issued only after terminating the contract. Here, the contract has already been concluded. So where's the question of termination of contract, my lord?
Court will hear you on the
My
next
lord.
date.
Your lord.
Your Lordship, there was the petitioner had already availed the same remedy before the learned trial court by filing the civil suit. The subject matter is the same, Your Lordship.
Let your affidavit be tagged to the record, otherwise.
My lord,
this
my lord.
court cannot have any opinion.
Your lordship.
Lordship, in respect of item number 28, it's very same issue. But I've preferred this civil revision for the reason that while the lower court below for disposing I 79, which is reflected in page number 15, have allowed, while disposing I 76, have allowed I 69, which is based in law, Your Honor, because in lower court, we have challenged the jurisdiction of the lower court below. And when the jurisdiction is ours, the learned court below cannot pass a state order because it will tantamount to infractions of the case, Your Honor. Next week.
Yes, your lordship. To that extent, I'm not arguing with my learned brother, my learned friend. I'm not arguing with him. But my lord, in the item number 27, the arbitration petition 3 of 2024, since his lordship, Mr. Justice S. Hokato Su has expressed his difficulty for being the chairman of the Nagaland State.
That matter should be.
Yes, your lordship. So my lord, if my lord may kindly take up this matter now, and then a new arbitrator may be appointed by this honorable court.
Let the affidavit be tagged to the record first.
Your Lordship, I have an objection to the interim, Your Lordship.
I'm not passing any interim order. Today.
Oh, Your Lordship.
You know, in the meantime, the interim order passed by this honorable High Court may be continued.
One minute.
Interim order in which item? In which item?
Item 28.
28. Item 28. 28. This is the item number?
26, my Lord.
26. Item number 26. MS?
Priyana Chetri.
Priyana Chetri, appearing for all the respondents, has submitted that she has filed the affidavit in the position yesterday only. It is here. And the same has been tagged with the record today. I have also heard Mr.
Joshua, your lordship.
Appearing for the Joshua Seki,
My lord.
appearing for the petitioner. List this matter along with item number 27 and 28 next week. It is further directed that the interim order passed earlier in item number 28. 28. Mentioned as IA 127. In IA 127. 157 of 24.
127.
127 of 2027 of 2024 shall continue till next date of listing of this matter.
Your lordship, a date may be fixed, either Monday or Tuesday.
Your Lordship, for item number 27, there is an arbitrator list which I would like to place before this honorable court, Your Lordship.
This is the next week.
Okay, Your Lordship.
My lord,
Suggest one date.
later part of the week, I have to be out of station, so either Monday or Tuesday, if my lord may kindly.
No, it's difficult for me to, because I have some personal engagement. Then you consult between yourself about the next date.
Tuesday,
Except Monday, Tuesday, third December.
Tuesday.
No, no.
Third, from third onwards, apologies, your lordship. Third onward, I will not be in station.
13.
2 weeks later.
2nd of December, my lord.
No.
2nd December.
13.
13. Oh my God. 14 is Saturday, sir.
The 9th.
13 is Friday.
As far as the item number 28 is concerned, your lordship, except on the question of law, I'm not even disputing his petition, your lordship. So whether he is present or not, he can depute his juniors also, my lord.
It will take up about the item number 26, 27. So on the next date only, I will hear you.
My lord.
You suggest one date of your convenience.
15 is Sunday, sir. 15 is Sunday.
17.
Vacation will start from.
So, please, on 10 or 11, 10. My lord, I have to dispose of this petition before the vacation. At any cost, my client cannot continue to suffer for more than 2 years. So, my lord, 11th is a Wednesday. That's division bench. So 10th, 10th, my lord, if my lord may please.
10th.
Leave this matter on 10 December along with item number 27 and 28.
My lord, oblige your lordship.
Oblige, Your Lordship. Thank you.
For hearing item number 32.
Yes.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I have a prayer. My senior Santiago is engaged in court number 3, lordship. So I've been instructed to kindly pray to allow this matter to be taken up at 2 p.m. today, lordship.
Next week. Next week. Next week.
Lordship, next week.
After hearing the learned counsels of both sides, the hearing is adjourned today. You suggest on date?
3rd, lordship.
3rd December. For hearing.
Oblige your lordship.
For hearing item number 34.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention on behalf of Vigilance, Lordship, if 3 weeks time may be granted to me to file my affidavit, Lordship.
No objection, lordship.
The learned counsel MS. What is your name? MS.
S. Chang, Lordship.
Etsam. Appearing on behalf of the learned government advocate, Mr.
Vigilance.
Vigilance. Praised for an adjournment on personal grounds. The learned counsel, Mr.
Imtijang, on behalf of my senior Mojami.
Appearing on behalf of the learned counsel, Mr. Muajami, has submitted that he has no objection. Therefore, the hearing is adjourned today. When do you want it?
After 3 weeks, after vacation, Lordship.
Least after the vacation for hearing.
Oblige, Lordship.
For hearing item number 36.
I think, Lordship, the petitioner counsel is absent, I think.
None appears for the petitioner. On call. RMS Seri.
Yes, Chang.
Etsam. Appearing for the state respondents. For non-appearance of the petitioner, the hearing is adjourned today. Least after the vacation for hearing.
Lordship, oblige, Lordship.
For hearing item number 39.
Lordship, here I am for the state respondent. Petitioner was just here, but. Yeah. Oh, 39. No. Huh? Not before vacation. Okay, it's okay. This matter may be listed after vacation.
Mr. I. Inchen.
Im Song.
The learned additional advocate general appearing for the respondents. Art MS.
Pim Hombenizio.
Appearing for the petitioner. The hearing is adjourned today. List after the vacation for hearing.
Oblige, my lord.
Is finished.
Item number 26 to 28.